Good evening, my dear students. Today we are going to study Sensex BSc Index. Well, what is Sensex? BSc Sensitive Index is a Sensex. The term Sensex is coined from the word sensitive index. It is referred to the index of Bombay Stock Exchange. It is also called BSc 30 or simply the Sensex. So the name, either you call it BSc 30 or you simply call it Sensex. Both are one and the same. The SEP BSc index is the SEP Bombay Stock Exchange, that is sensitive index. So what are the different names for Sensex? One is BSc 30 or Sensex, SEP BSc index or SEP Bombay Stock Exchange sensitive index. So it is a free float market weighted stock market index of 30 well established and financially sound companies, that is blue chip companies. You have heard of blue chip companies, right? So what is a blue chip company? A blue chip company is a well established and financially sound company. Okay, so it is listed, these companies are listed on Bombay Stock Exchange. So BSc Sensex is regarded as the pulse of the domestic stock market in India. Pulse, Nadi Midita ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು. So in Kannada we call it as Nadi Midita, pulse. What happens to Nadi Midita? So something happens to the variation in the pulse, that is Nadi Midita. So the whole body variation will be there. So it is called or referred as the pulse of the domestic stock market in India. That means if something happens to any variation in these 330 companies listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange all over the country, it will be affected. So it is a barometer of Indian capital market. So what is a barometer? Barometer is an instrument measuring atmospheric pressure used especially in forecasting the weather and determining altitude. So actually it is a weather forecasting instrument. But why we call it as barometer in Indian capital market? Because so something happens in one of the companies out of 30 companies, it will be directly affecting the whole companies which are functioning in India. That's why it is called barometer of Indian capital market. One can identify the booms and bust of the Indian equity market through Sensex. See, it is something which reflects changes in circumstances or opinions. So anything happens in a company which is listed in 30 companies, so something will be, variations will be there in other companies which are functioning all over the country. It is the oldest index in the country. So BSc Sensex is the oldest index in the country. The Sensex has become one of the most prominent brands in the country. The S&P BSc index. What is S&P BSc index? It is Sensex. Nothing but a Bombay Stock Exchange index is the S&P Bombay Stock Exchange, that is sensitive index. This is coined from, Sensex is coined from sensitive index. It is also called BSc 30 or simply the Sensex. BSE Sensex is regarded as the pulse of the domestic stock market in India. It is regarded as the barometer of Indian capital market. So whatever we have learnt in introduction, those are all features of the BSE sensitive index. BSE sensitive index is India's first stock market index. It is a free float market, weighted stock market. It is so popular that it is tracked worldwide. Not only in our country, even in other parts of the world, it is tracked. That means how is these 30 companies performing? So other other countries also are observing the fluctuations in these 30 companies which are listed under BSE sensitive index. Sensitive index today is widely reported in both domestic and international markets through print as well as electronic media. So this sensitive index not only in India but also in international market, even in print as well as electronic media, it is widely reported. That means what the performance of the Sensex is recorded or printed in the newspapers as well as in the electronic media in our country plus in other countries of the world. It is scientifically designated and globally accepted construction and review methodology. So simply it is not determined. It is scientifically designed. There is a meaning. There is a reason for creating this one. What is it? It is scientifically designed and globally accepted construction and review methodology. It is an index of 30 stocks representing 12 large, well-established and financially sound companies across the key sectors. So it is so popular. These 30 stocks are so popular everywhere, not only in the country but even other countries also. Well, see, which are these 30 companies? All these 30 companies are listed here. So if at least if you are going through these 30 companies, some of the companies you may definitely remember. So 30 companies which are listed under Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex are: number 1, Hindustan Unilever Limited. Number 2, Nestle India Limited. Number 3, Tech Mahindra. Number 3, Sun Pharmaceutical Industries Limited. Number 5, Reliance Industries Limited. Number 6, Ultratech Cement Limited. Number 7, Kotak Mahindra Limited, Bank Limited. Number 8, Infosys Limited. At least Infosys you are knowing about. Okay, you can remember that. HCL Technologies, you know, computers are HCL computers. So HCL Technologies Limited, HDFC Bank Limited, you are very well knowing that. Bajaj Auto Limited, Bharti Airtel Limited, of course, many of you are using the Airtel SIM, okay, for your mobiles. So Bharti Airtel Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporations Limited, so many companies, you know, you can see HP and Indian Oil. So these are all listed under Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, ICICI Bank Limited, Tata Consultancies, you are calling TCS, Tata Consultancy Services Limited, Larsen L&T Limited, you are popularly called as L&T, right? Larsen and Tabro Limited, Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, Asian Paints Limited, Tata Steels Limited, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, ITC Limited, Bajaj Finance Limited, Hero Moto Corp Limited, Titan Company Limited, Maruti Suzuki India Limited, State Bank of India Limited. So this is you are very well knowing. IndusInd Bank Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, Axis Bank Limited, and NTPC Limited. So these are the 30 major Indian companies listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange as of May 2020. May 2020. Okay, it's the latest information. So these are the blue chip companies which are highly performing companies which are selected from the different companies performing all over the country, and these companies are listed in the Bombay Stock Exchange Limited. So these are the different examples for BSE indices. What are those? Mid cap, small cap, BSE 100, BSE 200, BSE 500, Realty, BankX, FMCG. So I was telling you about FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, power, PSU, public sector units, auto, etc. These are the different examples for BSE indices, names of the BSE indices. If you want more information, you can log on to www.bseindia.com. Thank you. So I hope you got the idea about BSE Sensex, that is Bombay Stock Exchange, India. So how it is, what are the features of that, and what is the importance of these industries, and what are the different industries which are listed under the 30 companies of BSE index. Thank you for listening. Please watch, study well using this PPT. Good luck.